Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the oil and the oil filter on an Opel Corsa from 1995. On this car is very simple. I'm going to open the oil cap to allow the air to flow in while I open the drain bolt from the bottom. And the drain bolt is located right here. Then with a 19mm socket I will undo the bolt, and with a plastic container under I will slowly open the bolt. After all the oil is out, I place a new copper washer on the bolt and I'm going to tighten it back. I'm not going to apply too much force, just that the bolt will stay snug. Then using this device I'm going to open the oil filter over here. Now it opens. I will let this oil to drain slowly. There we go, the oil filter is out. And of course, place the new one. I will just hand tighten it. It's enough. Now I can go ahead and add the new oil on. I'm going to start the car. In order to check the dipstick, is on the minimum level. Alright guys, that was it. It was quite easy to change the oil on this car. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.